What's different between Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+C in Unix command line? I'm using Mac OS X terminal, and I use Ctrl+Z or Ctrl+C to stop some programs. But I realized that I don't know what they're exactly doing. What are they and what's the difference between them? This question was a super user question of the week. Read the March 13, 2011 blog entry for more details or submit your own question of the week.
Ctrl+Z is used for suspending a process by sending it the signal SIGT, which cannot be intercepted by the program. While Ctrl+C is used to kill a process with the signal SIGINT, and can be intercepted by a program so it can clean itself up before exiting, or not exit at all. If you suspend a process, this will show up in the shell to tell you it has been suspended. However, if you kill one, you won't see any confirmation other than being dropped back to a shell prompt. When you suspend a process, you can do fancy things with it, too. For instance, running this. With a program suspended will bring it back to the foreground. And running the command. With a program suspended will allow it to run in the background, the program's output will still go to the T, though. If you want to kill a suspended program, you don't have to bring it back with FG first, you can simply do the command. If you have multiple suspended commands, running, we'll list them, like this. Using %#, where hash is the job number, the one in square brackets from the job's output, with BG, FG, or kill, can be used to do the action on that job.
This URL, this URL, this URL POSIX. Ctrl+Z suspends the process with SIGINT, you can resume it later. Ctrl+C kills the process with SIGINT, which terminates the process unless it is handled/ignored by the target, so you can't resume it. There's also a SIGSTOP which can be sent by kill and which the process can't intercept. SIGCONT is the counterpart to both SIGSTOP and SIGST that unsuspends the process.
Ctrl+Z stops, pauses, a job. Ctrl+C terminates a job. With Ctrl+C you cannot resume the process, but with Ctrl+Z the job can be resumed by just entering at the command prompt. If you have multiple processes paused, then you should do to see the output and select the appropriate number to resume, for example. Resumes the third job in the list. You can also have jobs running in the background with wherein is the job number.
And using Ctrl+C you cannot resume the process. Whereas using Ctrl+C you can resume the process. Use FG%1 to resume the process.
Ctrl+Z stops, pauses, a job. Ctrl+C terminates a job. With Ctrl+C you cannot resume the process, but with Ctrl+Z the job can be resumed by just entering at the command prompt. FG%1. If you have multiple processes paused, then you should do jobs to see the output.
If you want to go over how, please subscribe.